You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. The top word is pronounced pedal, pedal, stress on the first syllable, and it's a pe sound, okay? It's not pa, pe. Pedal. The bottom word is, so that's the pedal of a bicycle, for example. The bottom word is paddle. Paddle is a tool that you use in the water to push a boat, for example. Paddle. So it's an a sound. So pedal and paddle. Can you hear the difference? Pedal, paddle. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.